Hey everyone, snacking can make or break your energy levels. But are you choosing the right snacks? Today, let's swap your unhealthy favorites with delicious and nutritious alternatives. Stay with me for better choices that fuel your day. First up, movie night. Skip the buttery overload and go for nutritional yeast and olive oil popcorn. Nutritional yeast adds a cheesy, umami flavor while being rich in B vitamins. Olive oil provides healthy fats that are great for brain function and metabolism. You'll get the crunch without the guilt. Got a chocolate craving? Milk chocolate is loaded with sugar and fat, spiking your blood sugar and leading to an energy crash. Instead, go for 85% dark chocolate. Lower in sugar, higher in antioxidants, and good for heart health. It still satisfies your sweet tooth while keeping your energy stable. Donuts taste amazing, but are deep-fried sugar bombs. Instead, bake some apple rings with cinnamon and a touch of honey. You get natural sweetness, gut-friendly fiber, and energy-boosting vitamins without the sugar spike. Love cookies? Store-bought ones are packed with artificial flavors, preservatives, and high-fructose corn syrup. Instead, bake your own almond flour cookies. Almond flour is rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats to sustain your energy levels throughout the day. Homemade equals better control, better nutrition. Pretzels may seem harmless, but they're basically refined carbs and salt. They digest quickly, causing sugar spikes followed by an energy crash. Instead, grab a handful of mixed nuts and seeds. Healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients to keep you full and energized for hours. Boxed fruit juices are nothing but sugar water. Instead, go for freshly squeezed juice with fiber and real vitamins. Make your own blend with oranges, carrots, ginger, and turmeric for a refreshing, immunity-boosting energy drink. Craving cheesecake? Swap it with Greek yogurt and a drizzle of honey. High in protein, calcium, and gut-friendly probiotics, this swap supports digestion while satisfying cravings. Add some berries for a natural sweetness boost. Gummy candies? Pure sugar with zero nutrients. Swap for unsweetened dried fruits like mango, apricots, or dates. They're naturally sweet, fiber-packed, and rich in vitamins to keep you going. Salted nuts sound healthy, but too much sodium can lead to bloating and dehydration. Instead, go for raw or lightly roasted nuts. They retain more nutrients and heart-healthy fats. Almonds, walnuts, and cashews are great for boosting brain power and energy. Bottled iced teas are packed with added sugars that lead to energy crashes. Swap it out for herbal tea with lemon. Green tea, chamomile, or ginger tea provide antioxidants, calm your nerves, and keep you hydrated. Refreshing and energizing, smart snacking is all about balance. Make these easy swaps and you'll feel the difference in your energy, focus, and health. Start today and fuel your best self. Follow at Southern H30 at Modern Medics at MediXBD for more healthy living tips.